It made 2 times, friends, I told you in the previous video. I am waiting for the Pepe coin to make 4 times next week. It seems that it can be invested in amounts that you will not worry about. The choice is yours. The uptrend, however, ended there and the cryptocurrency has been sharply plunging since then. My name is Ketchel and I help teach people about money, personal finance, and investing. If you're interested in improving your financial future, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button if this video is helpful. According to centn, the on-chain analytics firm's social dominance indicator signaled this top in advance. Social dominance tells us what percentage of the discussions happening on social media related to the top 100 cryptocurrencies by market cap are talking about a given coin. As the below chart shows, Pepe's social dominance rose to very high values just before the top took form earlier in the month. Whenever social dominance hits high levels, it's a sign of euphoria among investors, which is something that has historically led to top formations for cryptocurrencies. centn notes that the indicator still has a value of about 5%, meaning that 5% of all discussions related to the top 100 assets involve the meme coin currently. Seeing it get down to the 1 to 2% range would be a good sign that traders are beginning to stray away and look for pumps from other altcoins, the firm explains. The active addresses metric, which measures the total number of unique addresses taking part in some transaction activity on the blockchain, also saw a spike just before the top. When this indicator has a high value, it means a large number of investors are making trades right now. The price generally becomes more likely to get volatile when the metric shows such a trend. From the chart, it's visible that the active addresses indicator has come down in value for Pepe in the last few days, which means that the market activity has calmed down. An interesting trend is also visible in the data for the supply of the largest Pepe coin holders, as the below graph displays. These humongous holders had been accumulating while the rally had been going on, but right as the top took form, they started shedding coins from their wallets. This cohort has continued to sell since then as Pepe value has gone downhill. If you start seeing these lines moving up again, there is a much larger probability of Pepe going for its second round of pumping, though probably a more minor one, explains centn. One positive sign for the asset, however, may be that the trading volume has rebounded recently after having declined since the top, just like the other metrics. All in all, meme coins have to be taken for what they are. They're controlled by speculation and crowd expectations, says the analytics firm. In these fresh, new assets that fit this description, you'll likely want to watch when the crowd gets too emphatic that one price direction is going to happen. Best crypto to buy now: Pepe coin, BitGet token. Cosmos. The cryptocurrency market has been experiencing a downturn, with Bitcoin's recent dip below the $27,500 mark neutralizing its previous gains. In the last month, Bitcoin's price has fallen by 7.57%, with similar decreases observed among other top 10 assets on CoinGecko. Data collated by centn suggests a decrease in social media discussions around top crypto assets, including Bitcoin, which saw an 18% drop. A survey by centn found that nearly 44% of traders believed that crypto markets had peaked in April, indicating a lack of confidence in further price increases. Despite this trend, Bitcoin's whale accumulation chart has shown a bullish divergence, with Bitcoin's large wallet holders acquiring 0.29% of the Bitcoin supply from April 10th to May 10th. As the hype around AI Doge continues to grow, investors are moving quickly to secure their $AI tokens. On the other hand, Pepe coin has been undergoing a correction phase, with its price showing a significant breakdown of the 170 support on the intraday level, providing sellers with an additional barrier to exert pressure on buyers. However, if the coin's price rebounds from the 140 support, traders should look for a breakout at 171 as the first sign of price recovery. It is essential to note the risk of a breakdown below 140, which could result in a 39% downfall for Pepe coin. The crypto market's recent trend indicates a lack of confidence in further price increases, but long-term investors may still anticipate a resurgence of cryptocurrencies in the coming months. Some of the best cryptos to buy now include AI, Pepe, Sponge, BGB, IPERD, Atom, and Dlance, with AI, in particular, gaining momentum due to its unique concept of meme to earn. However, traders should also be cautious of pepecoin's potential further decline and look out for potential support levels. The price of Pepe's native token dropped by 0.51% in the past 1 hour and is presently exchanging hands at $12.68. However, a little history lesson would teach us to be much more skeptical. A lot of analysts are suggesting that Pepe is the new SHIB. This is because SHIB has a preposterously large supply of 999 trillion tokens and Pepe has 420. So many think it will take over as the #1 low supply coin. The below is Shiba Inu's chart from the highest pump of its lifespan in October/November 2021. As you can see, after its highest point it had a lot of corrections. Many analysts also predicted at various points that it was about to pump again and the underlying statistics were good. This of course did not turn out to be true, and the same situation is likely in store for Pepe. The hard truth is coins like Dogecoin and Shiba Inu were on the decline anyway before Pepe came along. The rebirth of the meme coin with no utility turned out to be fantastic for a lot of investors, but the key lesson we have learned is you have to know when to get out of these projects. We think the Pepe craze might be coming to an end, but that doesn't mean you can't find the next meme coin that will pump just like it. We think there are 2 current candidates on the market that are ready to take the meme coin throne. SpongeBob token, all the qualities in place to replicate Pepe's success. Pepe's success seemed to be quite random. One investor bought trillions worth of tokens in exchange for some ETH, and voila, suddenly you have investors everywhere piling on just for fear that they might be missing out on something. Just like that, a hit coin is made. However, there is more to it than that. The very genesis of every successful meme coin is of course the meme. Pepe is one of the oldest internet memes, and it is likely the regulatory body has leveled an accusation against Ripple, proclaiming the firm's XRP sale as an unregistered securities transaction. It insists that Ripple's distribution of XRP in essence mirrors a securities offering. In contrast, Ripple remains unyielding in its defense, vehemently asserting that XRP is a digital currency, bereft of the characteristics that would define it as a security. According to CoinDesk data, what's next, Pepe coin's price peaked on May 5th at around 0.04 after Binance said it would list the token, but has since fallen more than 70% to about 0.01 on Thursday. It's relatively common for meme coin prices to spike as they are listed on major exchanges and fall afterwards, noted Devons. For example, Shiba Inu's price peaked in October 2021 at around 0.18 after Coinbase listed the coin in September 2021. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.